Ready to race. And the race is on Larmagnac from the outside. Kitana Sure. Pernicious down on the inside is Exceptional Angel. And rushing up is AJ Special. Running in sixth position, Idas Julian alongside Native Land. Down on the inside, eighth position is Mark Disbert with Embrace. Racing in nine. Open Mind, fourth class, King Manjo, Armidale. And Rain Dancer is running in 13th. La Armagnac, followed by Exceptional Angel. AJ Special from the outside, and rushing up Skita na, sure. And racing in fifth, Iras Julian Native Land. Racing in sixth position, Mark Disbert King Manjo. And entry number 4, Open Mind, Sweet Embrace, Armidale, Pernicious, and Rain Dancer still running in 13th. Larmagnac from the outside, Exceptional Angel down on the inside, Kita na sure on the father outside, Iras Julian, Mark Disbird by Dural on the outside, King Manjo, Iras Julian Open Mind, Exceptional Angel, Larmagnac, Mark Disbird, and rush up King Manjo, and nearing the finish line, Exceptional Angel, King Manjo, Mark Disbird, Larmagnac close with Kita na sure and Open Mind for your super size.